One of the biggest announcements at Amazon's Fall 2019 event is also one of the biggest in size and sound. The new Echo Studio is Amazon's first ever play at high-end audio. The Echo Studio is compatible with Dolby Atmos and it supports lossless audio streaming. Inside, it has 3 speakers, a discrete tweeter, and a 5.25-inch bass driver. One of the reasons the Echo Studio sounds so good is because it has a series of microphones embedded inside that are designed to calibrate its audio performance based on its surroundings. So whatever room you put it in, whether it be big or small, you should get great sound. We listened to it here at Amazon's headquarters and the sound was amazing. The bass was deep and heavy and the highs were soaringly clear and beautiful. If you have 2 Echo Studios, you can make them into a stereo pair, which is great for a home theater setup. Since Amazon's 4K Fire TVs have Dolby Atmos support as well, you can get the Fire TVs and the Echo Studios for a full home theater experience. Of course, like all other Amazon speakers, it has Alexa on board. You can ask it all the usual Alexa functions like the weather, the time, and so forth. One of the best things about the Echo Studio is that it's only $200. You can pre-order it right now and it's shipping later this year. Price-wise, it is very competitive. It is $100 less than Apple's HomePod and around the same price as the Sonos One. For more on the Echo Studio as well as the rest of Amazon's products, go to Engadget.com.